welcome you all back again. My name is Surya. For today, a topic would be Surya Namaskara. We all are very familiar with Surya Namaskara and the asanas, what we take in a flow. We also know the benefits of each and every flow. It increases the flexibility, stability, mobility, strengthening in your arms. Your core becomes very strong. So today what we are going to do is we are going to add little intense stretch in every asana we take, and let's add a bit of modification or variations in between the asana. Then let's get started. Let's all stand up and come in front of our mat. Get your feet closer. Get your palms in front of your chest center in Namaskara Mudra. Your fingers apart. Slowly close your eyes. Now let's take a deep breathe in and out and chant before we start. Om Surya Namaha. Now slowly open your eyes. Now again, breathe in and out. Press your palms down. So let's begin with our Surya Namaskara. Breathe in and out. Get your posture to Namaskara Asana. Breathe in. Raise your hands up. Arch back. Look up. Hold the posture for 10 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and slowly come down to forward bending, which is Padahastasana. Keep your palms or rest your palms next to your feet and get your forehead closer to your knee. Hold the posture. If it's not reachable, you can rest your palms next to your feet and slightly bend your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Before you go ahead with your next asana, look straight, take a breath and breathe in. Take your right leg back. Don't rest your knee down because we are going to give intense stretch for few asanas. Hold your posture. Keep your body straight, your back flat. Look straight. This is a very good intense stretch to your inner thigh muscles. If your palms is not reachable completely on the ground, you can rest your fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now slowly, let's introduce a variation here. Let's get into Anjaneyasana without dropping our knee down. Slowly balance and take your arms up. Arch your back. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. This is a very beautiful stretch for your groin, your inner thighs. Now slowly take your left leg back. Align yourself into a straight plank without dropping your hip down or taking your hip up. Align yourself. Hold this stretch or this posture. It's a very good core workout. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, knees locked, 8, 9 and 10. Next, we are not dropping our knees and going to child pose or Ashtanga. Instead, we are going directly to Chaturanga. So slowly bend your arms or your elbow and go down to low plank, holding the Chaturanga posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly rest your knee down, chest down, your chin down and get into Ashtanga. Make sure your hip is raised. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly rest your toes, rest your chest. Now slowly scoop up till your navel. Don't straighten your elbows. Keep your elbows slightly bent and get that beautiful stretch on your back, on your lower back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a very good stretch for your back. It opens your 8, 9 and 10. Keep your chest open. Now slowly tuck in your toes and go to mountain poses, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Raise your hip up. Okay, if you are not able to keep your feet completely down, you can slightly bend your knees, but your posture in raising your hip up is very important because it's a very good exercise for your glutes and your hamstrings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It also strengthens your knee. It strengthens your back. It gives a very good posture to your back since you keep your back flat in this posture. It gives a very good stretch to your shoulders. 9 and 10. Now slowly get your right leg front. Keep this in your mind, you're not going to drop your knee down. We are in Ashwasanchalana. Keep your back flat, knee locked. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now let's get into Anjaneyasana. For variation, what we take here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Get your palms in Namaskarasana. Your forearms very close to your ears. 9 and 10. Rest your palms down. Get your left leg front. Get into Padahastasana. Your palms rested next to your feet. Your forehead close to your knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Now slowly raise your hands up. Get arch on your back. Look up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and slowly come back to Namaskarasana by ending a complete flow on your right side. Okay, you can continue the same on your other leg too. You can introduce this flow which gives a beautiful stretch to all your muscles, especially on your lower back. Introduce this in your day-to-day life or your regular activities and increase your benefits from this. Okay, until I meet you next time, have a nice day and keep smiling.